At Bioesque, cleaning isn't just about looks, it's about trust. Our products are developed by professionals to handle some of the toughest challenges, like fire, smoke, floods, and heavy grime. When the job needs to be done right the first time, professionals choose Bioesque. At Bioesque, we believe something simple. You shouldn't have to choose between powerful cleaning and a safer product. That's why we use high-quality ingredients to create products that are both strong and easy to use. Many of our formulas include natural ingredients and are biodegradable, with no harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia. Clean, disinfect, protect. From deep cleaning to final touches, our products work together to get the job done right. Whether you're cleaning a kitchen, a workspace, or restoring a space after damage, you can count on Bioesque. Built for the toughest jobs, engineered for results. That's the Bioesque standard.